Morning, students. This is a video for your greeting card, which is part of your your OMT activity. So as you could see, we have a greeting card workbook there, and then we are going to start. I'm going to make an example of exercise 2.1. The greeting card, the pages that you get, they are a bit similar to the booklet, so there's not much of the work that is new. It's only the size and everything of the page. So now I'm going to let's start with the instruction. You read the instruction carefully. They say create the following program in Publisher. Make use of side folded greeting card. Okay, that's an instruction on its own. Then they say see the instructions on the next page. Then you save it as exercise 2.1 and everything. You fold it and all that. So now let's open our Publisher. We go to Publisher. And then we go to more blank pages. We click on that, and then remember we have a publication types. Then from there you select, it comes with folders. Then from there you select what? The greeting cards. Greeting cards, you go back to the instruction. In the instruction they say you make a use of a side folded greeting. So we go back, we check. The first one is side folded, the other one is top, the later side. So you select the one that that is required. So now we are going to select this one, the side folded. You double click on it and then you say yes. So now it's gonna come with 4 pages like that, and then you know most by now you insert your header in footer, and in the footer you student number, and then in your footer you have your group, you have your exercise name, and then you close your master page. You go back. I said previously that for you to make things easier, now that we're working with online things, we are no longer using hard copies. So the best way to do this, you go back to your PDF, and then from that PDF, then you just make a use of a snipping tool. I'm going to minimize this so that I'm able to copy everything. So now you make a use of a snipping tool. You go search for a snipping tool. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to crop this. I'm just going to crop this. And then I pasted this on the gray side. Then from there you track the instruction. Alright, it's the same as the booklet. So you make use of the pages. With this one, page one, you are going to type this information. We make a use of what? You draw a text box. You draw a text box and then you type whatever that is there. And then for page 2, I'm going to make a small video just to remind you. For page 2, so I'm going to do this quickly. So page 1, because I'm not going to be typing anything, I'm just showing you how it should be. This is page 1. So we should have this in page 1. I'm just gonna you make sure you type within those blue lines. You don't go beyond that. So when you type within those blue lines. And then we go to page 2. Then your page 2, I'm just gonna make a quick snip tool. This is page 2. So for page 2, you type this. You are not going to make a snip tool like me. I'm just making the video small and simple. And then again for page 3, you type this for page 3. this is page 3, you type this for page 3, you move it to the side. Then for page 4, remember you make use of a text box, draw a text box, and then you type whatever that is required, and then you are done. Then this is our page 4. So for page 4, then I have this. Then once you have typed all these things, what you then do, you delete this. Remember, you don't need this. You don't need that, and then you just delete that. So now all you have now is all your pages typed in together. Now you save it to your memory stick, and then you continue with the rest of the exercises. So yes, that is far as the videos as concerned.